So hi everyone, I am Qayyum, and in this video we will going to see that how to pass external variables in the awk command. So sometimes we need to use the external variable like the variable we had declared in the bash shell. So we want those variable to be used with the awk command. So in that case we will going to see that how to implement the method using some two parameters. So those two parameters we will going to see in this video. So let's start. So first I will declare the variables. So the first one will be the b a. So we have given the value of a as 10 and b as 20. So we have declared our variables. So now let's use the first method. So in this we will going to use the awk command, then proceed with the begin statement. So in this begin we will going to print, and here we will going to use argv argument. Okay, so in this way the first I will give 1 in the square bracket, so we will get the value of a by using this. And now for the value of b we will use argue, then in the round bracket, in the square bracket, we will give 2. So the 1 represent a and the 2 represent b. So in this way we are going to use it. So now let's complete it and then give the variables name here. So as you can see that we successfully got the output using the awk command. So in this way we can use the variables from the shell to the bash shell, from the bash shell to the awk command. So this one is the first one, and the next so the next method we will going to use environ. Okay, so in this also some value or some variable we will going to use. So this is the second method. So now let's start. So here in this way uh, let uh, let give the a as 2. Okay, and proceed with this, use the awk command, then start with the begin. Okay, now let's in this we're going to use print for printing the output, and then environment. Okay, and now in this environment in the list we will use a. Okay, and that's done. Now let's see. Okay, so you can see that we are getting the a value. Okay, so in this way we can use external commands in the awk, external variables in the awk command. So these are some two ways in by which we can get the external, we can get the external variables to be used in the awk command. Let's see the basic some basic way to pass bash variable to awk command. Okay, so here we will going to see that basically how we going to do. So similarly we will go into a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. These are our external two variables. Okay, now let's start with it. So let's say echo, and in our command we will use minus v flag. Okay, now here we will represent k as the value of a and m which represent the value of b. So here this we have declared k and m. Now we'll going to print these two. Okay, value of a is Okay. K and M. Okay. So here you can see that we are getting the output as value of A and B is 1 and 2. So in this way also we can use the awk command. Okay. So we will basically use slash v uh, minus v flag for using the external command using basic steps. So these are three: using the argument, okay, using the environment, and this is how using the v flag. Okay, so in this way we can use the external command in the bash in the awk command. So guys, it will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.